Okay, back on part two. Some of my area, we're taking a road trip, just not too far, and you'll see the Amish buggy there. We're just passing it. There are certain ways of driving in Amish country, and you have to be mindful of buggies. See, we're coming up over a hill, and there could be a buggy on the other side, so you have to be paying attention all the time when you're driving around here. And there's certain instances where there are some farm roads, usually maybe on the left side, that, you know, an Amish buggy doesn't have turn signals, usually. Some do, but most don't. And it's not good to pass a buggy when there are farm roads on the left, because the buggy might quickly try to turn left and you could end up slamming right into them. So you got to be careful and pay attention to that. So as you can see, we got a lot of snow here right now. We've had a pretty good February. Yeah, the roads are very clear, no issues today. The salt's been put out pretty good. Some of the back roads that run through some of the Amish farms are still a little rough, but you know, that's as to be expected with most places. So we're doing our best here to do some videoing as we go down the road, and see out the side here some of the farms. There are places here that are, you know, considered to be, you know, catering to a tourist type of crowd, actually. This Amish area is home to the largest Amish population in the United States. A lot of people think that Lancaster, Pennsylvania is the largest population, but that's actually not the case. If you look at the population of the Amish community here in Ohio, and most of it in a broader spectrum, the Amish population doubles every 20 years. It's actually the fastest growing population of people in the United States. So that's just a little tidbit there, but this area where we're at is Holmes County, Ohio. You can see the sign there. So this is, we're just maybe about 20 minutes from the house, and we're headed to Berlin to go check out an antique barn. There's a lot of antique places down here, and I have the day off, so we're just coming down to check that out and see what's going on. So down here quite a bit, and like I said, I like to go to a lot of Amish events in the summer and to learn more about some of the homesteading practices that I try to do at home. So it helps me out. I've learned quite a bit. But let's see, traffic slowing down. We got a wood shop up here on the left. There's a lot of furniture makers back in here. This place here makes bar stools, oak and cherry bar stools. Here's a hardwood furniture place. These guys are usually pretty busy. Wood heirlooms, furniture there, along with the JDM structures that just got put up. They're up here on the left now too, but that's a wood shop there on the left with that truck backing in. Those guys are usually hopping pretty good, and they don't use electricity. They have diesel generator shops that are hooked up to air pressured tools. So that's how they operate, if you're curious on how the Amish do woodworking. But that's how that works. There's a farm out here where these guys usually have some sheep out in the summer, out in that field, and kind of a nice view today with the snow on the ground. I'll get my windshield taken care of here. You got some stuff kicking up from the cars in front of me. So this is what we're looking at here in Amish country, Ohio. we'll stop back in part 3 coming up.